Imagine standing on the brink of the most transformative era in modern history, an era not just shaped by artificial intelligence but dominated by it, and failing to understand the impact it will have on your future and your business. Ignoring the tidal wave of AI positions you squarely on the path to professional extinction. It opens the door for competitors to clone your success, for automation to replace your role, and for your relevance in your industry to evaporate. Rather than getting caught up in trying to keep up with every AI development, what you truly need is a strategic roadmap to navigate the AI revolution, enabling you to amplify your efficiency and impact in weeks, not months. There are 6 risks employees and entrepreneurs are taking right now that firmly put themselves in the crosshairs of being replaced, or worse, getting hit with legal action due to the misusing or misunderstanding AI. Thankfully, I've got a free AI success kit that will help you navigate these issues. The link is in my bio in the description below. But first, there's one big mistake which is the most overlooked of all. Before we get to that, you must answer an important question. How well do you truly understand artificial intelligence? Beyond just using it to write emails, proposals, or create images of angry bunnies. I asked myself this question when I started researching my latest book, The Wolf is at the Door: How to Survive and Thrive in an AI-Driven World, which comes out this Tuesday. After looking over thousands of use cases, what I found was most people's understanding of AI is basic, leading to 6 key risks that they're unknowingly taking that could cost them their job or their business. The first risk is that they don't know how to train AI in their own brand voice, which means their marketing message gets watered down and they lose their competitive advantage. 2, they're ignorant to the legal risks, including using AI chatbots on their sites. For example, Air Canada was just held liable for a hallucinating chatbot. Most haven't done the necessary risk assessments before deploying these tools that could result in a public backlash. 3, they're failing to see the practical applications to grow their businesses. They're stuck using stock prompts that do not unleash the full capacity of large language models. And they're missing 5 key ways they could use it to launch a startup or grow their business. 4, this is the silliest of all. They think that if they use AI, they're immune to being replaced by it. Tell that to the 30,000 Google employees who just got made redundant by an AI tool. 5, they're using AI to write blog posts, not being aware that it could get them deranked from Google's organic search results. Recent research from Neil Patel has found that people prefer human-generated content over AI-generated content. Learning how to strike that balance is how you will win in the future. 6, they're failing to see that clients and competitors can easily clone their work, and they're not repositioning themselves for success in a world in which AI is faster and cheaper than what they'll ever be. But the biggest one of all is that they're not aware of their own knowledge gap. They're caught up in this current hype cycle, failing to see how AI will beneficially and negatively impact their career or business in 1 to 2 years' time. Let me tell you this. When this whole hype cycle ends, there's going to be a bloodbath of businesses that get wiped out because they were blinded by the quick wins and fast cash. There is a right way and a wrong way to deploy AI for productivity and profitability. The wrong way is to fly blind, which is likely 99% of the population right now. The right way is to have a deeper, more nuanced understanding of AI and quickly close your knowledge gap as if your career and business depends on it. Because for some of you, it does. Thankfully, when you understand how to use AI effectively, you'll see that it can help you discover a new world of untapped customers, master the art of digital storytelling to help increase sales, help you solve problems through its predictive powers, scale at the speed of thought by automating cognitively demanding tasks, and predict consumer trends. But the question is, what are the core skills you need to take advantage of this and survive and thrive in an AI-driven world? The first and most important is prompt engineering. Prompting an AI to generate content requires critical thinking and an understanding that as AI content floods the internet, AI models begin to break, and their responses become lazy, as we've seen in the past few months. You must have the skills to combat these issues as they accelerate. You must also know how to prompt it to avoid reproducing copyrighted material, especially if you're producing content for clients. If it gets your clients in trouble, it's going to get you in trouble. 2. Your personal brand is going to become even more important moving forward. The release of GPTs means that users can quickly clone influencers and even the services that your business provides within minutes. The reason that I show people how to clone themselves in my 28 Days to AI Mastery course is so that they both understand the threat and the possibility, so they know how to pivot. Now is the right time to reshape your value proposition, confronting the following question head on. Why should clients choose you, a person, over an AI solution that doesn't complain, takes time off, is more cost effective, faster, and available around the clock? Those that are unable to clearly articulate an answer to that question are already in trouble. A key rule that I discuss in my book, The Wolf is at the Door, and in the free AI Success Kit below, is to assume vulnerability. By assuming you could be replaced, you quickly reposition your competitive edge, setting yourself up for massive success in the months ahead. 3. Avoid cruel optimism. We're getting repeatedly told that AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. This is BS. An AI ad generation tool at Google didn't just replace the workers not using it, it replaced 30,000 of them. I'm sure it was sold to them that it was going to make their lives easier, but understand this, AI is infinitely scalable. It no longer takes a village to run a company. It's both an opportunity and a threat. By tackling these tough questions head on, as I do in my free guide below, book, and my course, it means that you're never blindsided if a client cancels a contract or an employee lays you off, because you're always 10 steps ahead of the others. Think of the greatest entrepreneurs of our time, the visionaries who revolutionized industries, the mavericks who dared to break from tradition. What set them apart? They make closing the knowledge gap from where they are to where they want to be their most urgent priority. So let me ask you the same question that we began with. How well do you truly understand artificial intelligence and its impact on your future? If you want to apply it the right way and not be 99% of those that are taking unnecessary risks, download the free AI Success Kit from the link in the description or in my bio, and get a copy of The Wolf is at the Door, which is out this Tuesday. It's even received praise from marketing maverick and New York Times bestselling author Amy Porterfield, among many others.